Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to monitor and control computers on your network. Alright, so now what we're going to do that, I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge and type the litemanager.com and hit enter. On the website, you can see the first option, download. This is Windows supported software. And now I'm going to click on download. Open this Litemanager and I'm going to extract this zip file. After extracting the zip file, right click on Litemanager Pro Viewer and right click and install. Accept the terms and conditions, then click on next and next again, and finally install. Now here you can see this is the Litemanager viewer. Okay, after the installation we need to install the client computer also. On client machine, select Litemanager Pro server and click on install. Click on next and accept, next again and continue next and install. And here you need to enter the authentication password to access the viewer computer. If you want, you can select user event log. You can collect all the log file, then click on OK and finish. And the installation has been completed. You can see here on the taskbar the Litemanager server is installed. And I'm going back to the viewer computer. And on the Litemanager viewer, click on add a new connection, and here we need to enter the user's computer's IP address. On the taskbar you can see 192.168.216.138 IP address and enter the IP address. Then enter the password and click on OK. And now here you can see the user's computers we can view remotely in Litemanager console. Fully functionally we can control the screen and view only and file transfer and shut down, task manager, everything we can control on the Litemanager console. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.